Ransomware has changed how we think about data backup and recovery. Today, regular backups of your data aren't enough. You need to know how quickly you can recover from an attack. That's why you need Pure Storage FlashBlade. FlashBlade has built-in data protection using Amazon S3 Object Lock and Safe Mode. Combined, these features protect against attacks intent on altering or deleting your data. Restore a file, folder, or even an entire data center quickly to meet your service level agreements and recovery time objectives. FlashBlade delivers rapid recovery with its all-flash performance and scalability. Plus, FlashBlade Direct Flash modules have no moving parts that can fail or slow down backups, saving space and energy in your data center, which leads to lower operational costs. FlashBlade uses a fraction of the electricity and cooling that disk-based systems require. Don't face today's threats with yesterday's technology. Learn more about how FlashBlade is your ideal data protection and recovery platform.